I'm so glad I got this for 50% off on Amazon. It's great when dumping leftovers.
You've never seen a toaster quite like this. This is the Revolution toaster that has an LCD screen that you tap and it brings up all of the options that you have. You can toast everything from English muffins to bread, bagels, pastries, waffles, and everything in between. You can even select from fresh, frozen, or even reheat things as well. The reason I love it is because as you tap the numbers down below, the video shows you exactly what to expect and how toasted your item is going to be. Perfect for my kiddos that tend to over toast everything that they put inside the toaster. To get started, you simply put your bread in, tap the photo, and then hit start. It'll direct you and tell you exactly what it's doing. So as it heats up, you'll see on the screen, it'll display a message that says heating. Then it will go to browning, and then your toast is done. It pops up and says, enjoy. This toaster even tells you when it's time to clean out the crumb tray. You'll see a little message that says it's time. All you do is clean out the tray, pop it back in, and hit the done button, and you're good to go. If you're looking for a toaster that truly does it all, check this one out. Like and follow for more.
If you're someone who struggles to eat veggies, especially greens, this smoothie is so amazing because first of all, it tastes like dessert, but there is so much spinach in here. There's also blue spirulina, so lots and lots of benefits that you can screenshot for the recipe.
I constantly like to switch things up in my office, and I think I found the perfect desk. This is the rotating L-shaped desk from Vestiaire, and it's super easy to assemble. Shout out to my boyfriend for doing it in less than 30 minutes. But my favorite feature is that whenever I get bored with a corner desk, I can easily switch things up, rotate it, and now I have a long, wide desk. If you're looking for the perfect desk for your workspace, be sure to check out Vestiaire's website I linked to my bio.
I never knew my Jeep could do this.
Amazon products you need or don't. This is part 356 of 365. Anyone else hate when you're in the middle of watching your favorite movie and you end up losing your remote control? You can now combine this with this. This is a remote control pillow connected to any TV, DVD player, or VCR, and you can scroll through your favorite channels or Netflix and never have to worry about losing your remote control again. So is this something you need or don't? Now bring the warmth of those summertime campfires inside. This is a portable fireplace. Pour in alcohol, and once lit, you can create a smokeless and odorless tabletop fireplace that will burn for up to 45 minutes. You can even roast everything from marshmallows to kebabs. It also makes for a great decorative piece in your patio as well. So is this something you need or don't? So I featured my pillow remote control yesterday, but all I got was comments about the wine glass. So I'm going to share some gift ideas for all you wineaholics out there. This wine glass is actually made out of glass, not plastic. It holds several bottles of wine, and although you can of course drink out of it, it's more of a decorative display, so you can fill it with a chilled wine bottle, maybe even some fruits or even some flowers. These tilted wine glasses create an optical illusion of sorts. Pour your wine in, and both you and your glass will be looking and feeling tipsy. This next one you might not have seen before, but it's actually a bar of soap made out of wine. Makes for great hand soap, but not only does it lather real nice, but it also has a very nice honeyberry fragrance to it as well. And this wine wand, which I featured before, but it removes the contaminants that cause headaches, which means you'll be able to enjoy your wine without some of those nasty side effects. This is part 357 of 365, and I have 5 office finds today. This giant enter button allows you to release your anger and frustration when you are responding to emails from your coworkers or boss. These command cord clips come with these strong adhesives. Stick them to the back of your desk, run your cords through, and you can turn your office space from this into this. This keyboard tray clamps to any desk, pulls up from underneath, and not only creates much needed space, but allows you to work more comfortably as well. This table lamp has a light bulb that floats in midair and can also charge your phone wirelessly. And this cooling pad connects via USB and ensures your laptop won't overheat again.
Amazon Price You Need, part 202 of 300. This is a portable monitor. 15.6-inch monitor is 1080p and has USB Type-C compatibility.
Amazon kitchen favorites. This bamboo cutting board comes with 2 removable drawers to prep food. You can use the drawers to cut 2 food items at once or easily separate your sliced items from scraps. The bamboo is treated to prevent marks from knives. Link in bio to shop this exact product.
Amazon finds part 33. Roll it on a strip or apply directly on leg. Link in bio.
If you only believe. We're stuck where we are. No house, no car. Castaways, ahoy. We are castaways.
Look at this adorable retro gaming inspired bag from Geekshare. This bag is called the Game Girl Crossbody Bag, and it's made of faux leather and was designed to look like a handheld game console. It comes with several designs that are made to fit into the front window of the bag, which I think is a really cool customization feature. It's easy to add the included strap to carry it, and I was able to fit a lot of my essentials inside. I can't wait to customize it by adding new art to the front.